Hey, it's Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. It is football season and nothing beats a great honey glazed chicken wings for football night or football afternoon. That is what we're going to be making today. Let's get started. For spices, we have black pepper, white pepper, salt, oregano, parsley, basil, and paprika. Here we have garlic, onion powder, and rosemary. Of course, also your olive oil. And we have here our chicken that has been cleaned. I'm going to remove the water. I cleaned this yesterday. So we're going to start with these items first. Make sure to check the description below because you're going to be seeing all the ingredients, quantities in there. We're going to start with the onion powder, garlic powder. Be careful, you don't want to put too much. Rosemary, just a little bit of rosemary. Paprika, 1 teaspoon. White pepper, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of cilantro, half a teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of parsley. Salt to taste. We'll start with 1 teaspoon. Here's what our chicken looks like with all the spices. We're gonna go ahead, add the olive oil and mix it all together. You don't have to measure it. I'm gonna put that about 4 teaspoons of olive oil. That should be enough. You don't need too much of the oil. I'm gonna wash my hand and we're gonna go in. So I have cleaned my hands. We are going to go ahead and go in and just mix all of these spices together. You want to make sure it's well coated because although we're going to still make a sauce, a honey sauce, you want that chicken to be seasoned. You don't want to not taste the good seasoning of the chicken. So that's what you want. You want to make sure that chicken is well coated and seasoned. So we're going to wrap this. Once I'm done, we're going to put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes before we put it in the air fryer. And I forgot to mention when I forgot to mention at the beginning that we're actually going to air fry this. We're not going to be frying this or baking it. We're going to put it in the air fryer. So looking good. It's time to put our chicken in the air fryer. So with this part, you don't have to add anything else. I'm going to actually pour all of it. I'm going to pour all of it. Yes. And we're going to go ahead and bake this to 365 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, and we check and then turn it and then cook it again for that long. There we go. I need to clean this. Here is our chicken after 20 minutes. See how beautiful that is. Like, let me bring it closer. After 10 minutes, I did stirred it. I kind of like moved it around just like this, so the whole everything is already kind of like cooked like this. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to put it back for another 10 minutes. While that is going to be cooking for the last 10 minutes, we're going to start on the sauce. It smells amazing in the kitchen at this moment. Literally, I'm going to grab one because I can't resist before we make the sauce. Oh my god, it's hot. It's hot. It's amazing. So for the sauce, you're going to need garlic, honey. As you notice, this is actually fresh garlic, so minced garlic, soy sauce, and hot pepper. I'm using some African hot pepper. Actually, if you want it to be really hot, use this. And of course, our butter. So I'm going to add the butter into the pot, and we're going to fry the garlic a little bit. I don't really like the taste of the fresh garlic in general, so I'm going just like onions. So I'm going to fry that just a little bit. I'm going to stir that a little bit before I put the rest of the spices. I'm going to start with my hot Cameroonian pepper. Remember, this is really hot. This is only if you're going to do it really hot. If not, do not add this. So it's going to be very spicy. Next, we're adding our soy sauce. Let's add our honey. Our chicken is ready and we're ready to mix it with our sauce, but before we do that, I'm going to turn on the fire just for like 30 seconds just to get this heat up a bit. So while that is starting to warm up, it's just so good. Sorry, but the sauce is so good. I can just be here licking the sauce. Let's add the chicken. I'm going to turn off the fire and add the chicken. I'm not putting all of the chicken because some of it I'm going to leave on the side without the sauce. My husband and I, we like our chicken pretty dry, not too soft. So that's why the chicken is like this. So if you don't want your chicken to be too dry like this, you can leave it not as dry. It's up to you. So that's the quantity I want to have glazed. I'm going to go ahead and just mix this in the sauce. Now that we have mixed this into the sauce, we're going to take this a little top notch by putting it back in the air fryer and cooking it for about 3 minutes, and it will be ready to serve. You don't want to pour it with the sauce because that's just you're gonna waste the sauce. Back in the air fryer for 3 minutes. No, 2 minutes. I'm going to remove that sauce. Let's serve. So here we have the chicken that doesn't have the sauce, and here we have the chicken that does have the sauce. So I'm going to add the rest of that glazed sauce on the chicken. We're going to garnish that with some parsley and fresh cilantro. Did cut my cilantro here. Same with our... Okay. Who is ready for a taste test? Because I'm ready. I'm ready for the taste test. Let's do a taste test before the end of the night. Make sure that you let it cool down a little bit, especially if you're going to take it and put it back in the air fryer, because if not, you're going to burn yourself. You do not want to do that. So make sure to let it cool down a little bit. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. I'm grateful and I'm thankful. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and also the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Mwah. Okay, let's try this one. It's a little too hot. It's still a little hot, but it's okay. You can taste that kick of spicy. That fresh cilantro, oh my gosh, love it. You gotta make this at home. Seriously. Damn. It's so good. That fresh parsley and cilantro is just so good with it. I love it. I love the taste of the fresh cilantro. Yep. Think I want to try one more. I'm full. It's spicy. Got it.